So we are fitting a cargo barrier to this Prado 150. It's a K-on half barrier, a light cargo pet barrier, and should only take about 5 minutes to do. So I've unpacked the box that the barrier comes in. What you get is a cargo barrier, a couple of handle brackets, they go up on the top there, a couple of barrier brackets to attach the barrier, and a couple of headrest brackets. You'll notice that they come with plastic sleeves so you don't get any rattles. Nice and silent barrier. So first thing to do is to actually attach these, and I'll show you how to do that. So you'll want to remove these handles. You just pop these little covers off and then get a socket and remove those bolts. Okay. Remove the handles. It's a 10mm socket. You then want to place this bracket underneath and reattach the handle. Just note the orientation. This 10mm nut should be facing forward. You want to do this to both sides. Next step is to install the headrest brackets. Just remove the headrests, place one of the brackets over the legs of the headrest and reinstall. Do that to both sides. For the next step, you will need the M10 domed head bolts with the M10 washers. So we're going to install the barrier just loosely so that we can attach the brackets and then adjust for final fitment. Next step is to loosely attach the barrier brackets to the barrier using the M6 bolts and washers. Do this on both sides. Next is to install the plastic knob. You'll need a wave washer that stops it from vibrating loose and a plastic knob. Move the barrier to a vertical position. This will depend on where your seats are slid, and tighten them in place. Now the last thing to do is to tighten up the M6 bolts and the M10 bolt on the bottom, and you're pretty much done. So that's your cargo barrier installed. Should only take you 5 to 10 minutes. So this is the light cargo barrier for the Prado 150. Nice and sturdy and nice and quiet, no rattles or vibrations, even on the harshest of corrugations.